the vacuum. Let's see. Let's do a little unboxing. See what this thing looks like. I have it upside down. Apparently it needs to be charged, but there's 2 liters. It's the size of it. And with a couple of different attachments. Kind of cheap. Charger. Like USB-C it looks like. Smaller than I thought it was going to be, but they say it's loud, so we'll find out. Plug it in a little bit. So, once it's plugged in, it's got a couple blinking lights. I really want to see how loud this thing is. Okay, it's got to be partially charged for it will work. Let me read what the quick start guide says. Well, I'll be back when I get it charged.